welcome to my new home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. I'm so very oh my, it's a little bit scary. Okay, just a little. If you guys are watching this video, it's because you wanted to see an apartment tour and I'm about to give it to you, okay? For those of you guys who are new to my channel, I have been living in the same place since I've started this channel, and I recently have grown up and have finally moved out into my first apartment. 23 years old, and she's living her life. I originally planned on doing an empty apartment tour the day that I moved in, but I didn't realize that moving takes a lot more time than you think. I moved in like almost a week ago and I have been unpacking ever since. But now that I'm all unpacked, as you can see with the boxes behind me, I decided now is an appropriate time to give you guys a not so finished apartment tour. And I'm going to be saving a couple of things for separate videos, which I'll tell you guys later on. Before we get into today's video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. I upload every 3 days. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at GlamAniso8 pretty much everywhere. That way you can see behind the scenes content and other glam and ratchet parts of my life. I'm so excited to be back for you guys because I have not filmed in like over a week and I haven't posted in over a week, so she's happy she's back in her element. But yeah, let's get into what you guys want to see, which is this nice, bougie, not so finished, but very extra apartment tour. Okay guys, so this is weird because I am filming this on my regular camera, not my vlog camera, so it's super heavy, so I'm getting an arm workout, okay? And we are filming this without a ring light because it's right here behind us, in natural light, because we can do that now. I'm gonna take you guys through this tour. Sorry if the lighting gets kind of funky like it is right now. It's just because I'm using natural light, but you'll still get the idea. All right, okay. So starting off with my front closet, I have a little closet here that is supposed to be for guest coats and things, but right now I just have my coats and things in here, so I just put my heaviest coats. You'll understand why I did this later on when I talk about my closet, but yeah, I have that. I have some kitchen stuff, some random stuff. I have my recycling bin in here because I didn't have a place to put it in my kitchen that wasn't gonna look busted, so this is kind of like the closet that no one really needs to go into, okay? The least glamorous part of my apartment. And then we walk in. Actually, okay, this is the least glamorous part of my apartment. I have all these boxes piled up in my living room that I need to break down. This was everything that I unpacked and moved in. I don't have any living room furniture, but I'm going to be ordering them. I still have things I need to order. So yeah, this is my living room, but it's nice, hardwood floors. There's my Wi-Fi router. You need that as a content creator. If you follow me on social media, you'll understand the drama that went behind getting this hooked up. I have my filming set up temporarily, but it's not gonna stay in my living room. I just have it for this video. And then this brings you to my beautiful kitchen. I'm gonna turn down the brightness because it's all white, but I love my kitchen, you guys. I really do. And I think it's the perfect size for me. So right here, I just have a regular push trash can, and I have my fridge, nothing super exciting. I do have my pictures from senior year of high school. I think this is post-prom party, the first 3 strips. This is my best friend Leah, this is Sam, and then this is Sam and I when we went to Dave & Buster's. And then this is my kitchen. Can you focus, Rebecca? Thank you. So again, I have white cupboards, and in most of these I just keep, you know, regular stuff, food. But I got some of these things from Amazon that I'm really like obsessed with. I got this little knife set. It was a really good deal from Amazon. What else did I get? This is just my junk drawer. I have, rose gold silverware because you know she that type of bougie. And I also have a whole bunch of other like pink and teal looking goods. And then I have, okay, this is funny. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this, but Sam's sister Kat got me this gag gift for Christmas, and it's Sam on a kitchen towel. So I have that. I also have this beautiful apron my mom got me as a move-in gift, and then I have my pink oven mitts, and more kitchen towels. So next I have my kitchen towels just hanging off of my oven. And I have a gas stove, oh fancy. I have my microwave on top, and then I love this thing. I think I got this from Amazon as well, but it's just a little utensils holder, but it's very like antique-y, shabby chic, vintage. Rebecca, can you focus? Okay, now she's focused. So inside of that, I just have more little cooking utensils. This got stained yesterday because we made spaghetti. Kitchen towel, my little kitchen goodies. This thing is the best thing ever. Sam's mom actually used this. This is called Scrub Daddy, but it's a really good kitchen sponge for washing your dishes. So I have this one here. I have some lotion, some soap, some dish soap. I have my rack, which I love, and I also really like my dish set that I got, which I think I also ordered from Amazon. If not, it's from Wayfair, but I thought it was so cute. I have mugs and things up there that are random, glasses for when I feel fancy, my cutting board, some water glasses, and then here I just have like baking stuff. And then I actually have more cabinets, which I love. So I just keep more things in there. I have like my Tupperware, my toaster. I got these cool little diamond ice cube trays, so your ice cubes are diamonds because who else would have that? Pots. And then in the other pantry, I just have more like snacks and food. Sam's mom actually got me this card for when I moved in, which I thought was sweet, so I just keep it up here. I have tissues, I have a speaker, and then look at this. This is so cute. I got this tea set from Amazon, and I did not even know that they had these little crowns on the inside. I think that's the cutest thing ever. I love this. This is my aesthetic to a T, so we're living for it. I have bananas. I have this floral arrangement that's fake that I also ordered all together from Amazon. So I just keep that on there. I thought it would look nice in the kitchen. I have these coasters that are marble with rose gold, and then I have some salt and pepper. Of course, my salt had to be pink, and some little hand sanitizer just in case you need it. So this is pretty much my kitchen, and I love it so much. I love the countertops. I love the aesthetic. I just love everything. You'll definitely be seeing pictures with me in here on my Instagram. Now, the next room I'm going to skip over is my guest bathroom. It's a powder room, a pamper room as I like to refer to it, and I'm going to be doing an entirely separate video for you guys on that tour alone because I think you guys are going to really like it, but I suppose I can give you guys a little sneak peek. The air system is really loud. We're underneath a vent. But in this hallway, I just have this little thing, which is a nightstand. Technically, I got 3 of them though. So I'm using this one. And on top of it, I keep this jar of candy because she likes some chocolate. And then I have my SPF and a headband here because I have been running outside. So you always need to wear sunscreen. You guys know I'm obsessed with that rule. And then this is just for when I'm working out. And then I have my champagne candle that I always had in my room. I have it right here and a picture of Squad. Then I just have my keys and my headphones. That leads to this room. So like the other room, the other bathroom, I'm gonna just do a quick overview of my room and my bathroom because I am planning on doing 2 different videos for them as well, and neither one are completely finished yet, especially my room. But here is the overview of my room thus far. I love it, especially this. I feel like such a princess in here. I absolutely love it, but there's still so much bareness and stuff that's missing, so I'm gonna have to add my pizzazz. But as of right now, this is what it's looking like. And for my bathroom, the master bathroom, look at this. Here she is in all her glory. So yeah, this was my very first apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys are not new, then you probably remember when I was vlogging, I was saying like, I just feel like I need something new. I need a change of environment to get my creative juices flowing. I feel like this place is going to be the perfect place for that. I'm so thankful to have the opportunity to move despite everything going on and being able to have my own place and afford to live on my own. And I'm also thankful for you guys because I get to share this experience with you, and I'm super excited to see how it goes. I hope you're excited to see more like moving type of content, especially tours that are very bougie and extra, because that is what's coming up. But I'm also giving you guys more beauty content and just stuff that I'm super excited about, and I'm planning ahead for some of my content later on this year just so that it'll be the best it's ever been. And I hope you guys stay tuned for this journey with me, and I will see you guys in the next 3 days because she's back on her schedule, she's back on the grind, and I look forward to every second of it. I love you guys, and with all of this being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.